All right. Ah, the poor baby, eh? All right. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Gap still maintained. I would say we went in about 10 millimeters or about a bit over a 1/4 inch in. And yeah, this was full impact without handguards. Let's do the other side now, which there's one thing about the other side. The kickstand sticks out so far that it's gonna bend or it's gonna break off. So let's find out. All right, here we go. Here it goes, big nothing. And let go. Woo. So, pretty much the same as on the other side. Gap still maintained, and you can see the main impact area. Pretty happy. Got to do some pavement now, and the Peak Designs is still holding the phone. Perfect. Sorry, KTM. Sorry, KTM. All right, have a good view, have a good look. Gap maintained, perfectly beautiful. Outback Motortek to the rescue.
Beautiful gaps.
And we're not done. Still have to do the left side. Same intensity, hopefully same impact. And last but not least, hopefully the same results. Let's go. And one more drop with the 390. Let's make it a good one. One. Woo. Sounded really bad. Well, come and see what happened. Just happy. Just very happy. No major dent. The gap is still maintained. You can see my hands, fingers can go through. Massive impact, nasty sound. Even the skid plate got a little bit here. And it's nice because it's protecting the clutch. Sorry, the stator cover is protecting the stator cover, not the clutch. So we're in good shape. So this concludes number 25 of our drop tests since 2014. Highly successful, I would say. And as you can see, the results also speak for themselves. And I'm very happy. And we're looking forward to seeing these crash bars out there on customers' motorcycles. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna call you number 25. And you know why? Because we are doing a crash bars drop test, and this brand spanking new 2025 KTM 390 Adventure R is gonna be going through some gnarly drop tests. All right, so some quick specs about the crash bars. These are made of 25 millimeter diameter tubing, mild steel. The cross brace is 22 millimeter diameter mild steel tubing as well, and it's fully frame mounted. The crash bars do not come in contact with the engine whatsoever. So frame mounted, and we have a beautiful cross brace nicely tucked away underneath the radiator. So what we're gonna expose these crash bars to today is gravel and pavement. And I'm gonna get as much speed as I can by running with the bike downhill in neutral and dropping it as hard as I can. All right, so one important detail about the 390 crash bars test is that we removed the Barkbusters hand guards, although we love those guys a lot, but here what we want to demonstrate is the full impact on the crash bars, because Barkbusters do help quite a bit, especially protecting the top end of crash bars, but here we want to go for the full impact. So that's one important detail about the drop test before we start rolling it downhill.